I recently bought the ACV capsules. I've noticed a tremendous change in my movements. It's only been a week, so we'll see how it does. So far I am satisfied. Update. It's been a few weeks. I needed something to help aid in bowel movement. This has definitely made my life easier and pain-free. Love it. I'll be ordering again for sure. Click the link in description for cheapest price now. The concentrated formula means less pills to take. I can handle 2 a day. I am extremely pleased with this product and the super fast delivery. Plan on reordering. Would definitely recommend. My husband completely controls his diabetes type 2 with apple cider vinegar to the point he no longer takes diabetes meds. I had trouble with the liquid apple cider vinegar, so these capsules are a miracle for me. Will definitely reorder when I need them again. Won't let them run out. Thank you so much for these. Place order now when it's still available. I like the fact it's only 2 capsules per day. Taking it for metabolism and to help lower my cholesterol. Definitely easier than swallowing ACV. I've been using Nutrivein Premium Cider Vinegar Ultra Strength pills to enhance my general metabolism, which helps me in losing weight, about 10 to 12 pds. I've noticed that this cider vinegar also helps with my digestive issues. I believe it's because it has a detoxing effect. The pills are rather large to swallow because they are 1500 mgs, bigger than most manufacturers, so you get more value of product, 120 capsules. I've taken a picture of their pill next to a penny for scale. Not much of a flavor to me. They do have a little bit of a vinegar smell to them, but nothing compared to taking liquid apple cider vinegar. Hope this information helps. I have been using for a year and really live it. Click link in description for cheapest price and more reviews. Please like and share.